Damn, that windscreen look hard, bruh. Only a noob leaves their bike in gear. Okay, I'm starting them. Which bike we going on? Not going on that one. Going on the 400 today. Gotta strap this shorty in. Come on, strap. Remember, I have a quick shifter. After second. And if you do it in first gear, it's gonna go in the neutral. So from first to second, just use the clutch like normal. And then after a second, when you're on the highway, I want to hear it. You just pin it like this and just kick up. Damn, every time I get on this thing, I forget how comfortable it is. It's so much more comfortable than my R6. But the R6 looks so hard from the friggin' front. Whew. Damn, that windscreen looks hard. Oh yeah. I normally do 3 fingers on the clutch. Damn, I need the cat removed.
I always forget how much space it has.
Yeah, in the back. You can tuck hella. Especially now with the windscreen, it's gonna feel like you're in a cockpit. You can go way back. A little C8. Woo, throwback. Every time I just get on this bike or like ride it or listen to it, it always reminds me of the old days. If you guys are OGs, like I said, yeah. So I have my brother riding the R6. He just got his license, motorcycle endorsement and everything. So he's gonna go on the highway for the first time on the R6. And I got, like you heard in the beginning, I told him he hasn't used the quick shifter on the highway either. This is only like his 3rd time riding the 600, so basically his first time, because he hasn't ridden it that long in those first 2 times. So this time we're going downtown, so it's about a 20-minute ride or so, probably 10 minutes on the bike. And I got a new windscreen on it. If did you guys see that in the beginning? Yeah, he's legit riding with the new windscreen before I am. I probably look big as hell on this thing. Sheesh, damn, those wheels look clean as fuck. That's so weird. I never seen my bike in this perspective. Shit hard as hell. Gotta make me crash. So we're going downtown. I'm gonna I really want him to open it up and feel the 600's power, because he's only ridden it on the roads and he really hasn't opened it up and felt the quick shifter either. So I want him to really feel that shit out, because you're never gonna forget your first time you guys ride a 600. There's nothing like it. It's the best. Or even like a leader bike. Like, I can't wait till I do that. Sheesh, I know you guys like the 400 too, so I wanted to ride it. I was thinking of videos I could do at work today. I'm like, I'll have my brother ride it since we're going downtown tonight. Sheesh. Man, the seating position on this is totally different. Just totally different. I mean, obviously, but and guys, I ordered the new fairings today, so stay tuned for that. It says it's taken about like a month for them to come in, which is kind of dog shit, but you know, whatever. I'm still getting them. I'm hyped for that. It's gonna be sick. I got a YouTube sticker too for my windscreen, like I did on my last bike. I'm just gonna match the fairings. It's just gonna be so hard. Damn, my back wheel's dirty as hell. Bro, I tell you what, these neon wheels are so hard to freaking keep clean. Oh, I forgot I had music on. I'm gonna put music in on the highway. This thing is so light, bro. Oh. This bike is so light, man. I need to take one of these to the track. For real. Oh yeah, 0 miles per hour, baby. Quit playing, dummy. That shit hard as fuck. I got a pin. Sheesh! Damn. I always wondered what it's like when I fly by. You can still get frisky in traffic with a 400. Damn, Mitch busy, bro. If it wasn't busy, he'd be able to open it up. Oh, I can't wait for my new fairings, guys. It's just gonna be so dope. I put a pull up, and that's what you guys asked for. His wrist hurt. Getting used to that seating position. What's up, girl? Come on, baby, 400. It sounds good, but without the cat, bro, it'd be insane. What's going on over there? It was so damn busy, you couldn't even open it up.
What?
Said it was so busy, you couldn't even open it up.
I know, it's supposed to be started.
So I had to cut it up a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to like rip it either, because there's cars everywhere and I'm not used to it.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, put the Mius in. Sorry, boss. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, man. Bro, I'm going around. Because I'm on a bike and I can. What are you waiting for, bruh? Quit playing, stupid. Damn, I gotta show you guys this view. I walk around here. Neutral. Sheesh! Yeah. Yeah. Damn. It's a nice little view we got. I wish I had a drone. I'm gonna look at the view over here. I'm gonna put my gloves here. Wait, so you didn't even get to feel it out, really, bruh? Every time you rode my 600, you never got to feel it out. You can still cut up traffic and shit with the 400.
I'm just saying, like, because like the 400, it's windy and shit. It's not as stable. That thing with that big ass tire feels so.
Yeah. It doesn't even sound that loud, I feel like. When
the wind doesn't blow you around.
Damn, look at all the mountains. I think we ride up there, honestly, or somewhere around there. What?
You ever feel feels so. Bro, I don't even really feel like walking downtown.
Damn. Yeah, they do. We have to get videos before we leave. Just of both of them. I can't wait, bro. I can't.
Easier, like in the
The 600.
oh,
They do look good, bro. It's weird. It's like they match, but they don't match. Just a good duo. Damn, bro, that windscreen makes it look so much harder because the black matches with all the other black on the bike compared to the white, and it's higher and shit. Which looks dope. Yeah, bro, I need that cat off, bro. It'd be so much louder. All right, guys, if you guys like that little switch up, my brother riding the 600. I wish you could have felt it out more, but you know, it fucking's rush hour, so couldn't do much about it. But if you like the video, like it, helps the algo out, because the algo's dog. Leave a comment down below. I usually respond to everyone's, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe. Over and out.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.